Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add products from Alibaba to Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, what we can do is we can head over in here to our search bar, and from in there, we should be able to search in here for Alibaba. So once we have searched for this, you can see that we have this application right here. So let's click on this application, and we will be prompted to install this specific application. So just click on this install right here. And then once you have clicked on that, it will ask you for access in order to install this properly and fully on your actual Shopify store. So as you can see, it is loading right now. And here we have here the install button. Just click on that install button. And then as you can see, it will be installed on your actual Shopify store. So from in there, you first need to log in on your Shopify Alibaba. So let me just log in with Google because it is easier than putting in a credential. So as you can see, I have logged in through my Googles. And then we can just wait for this right here to finish the register process. And in here, it will also ask me to agree and register. So click on this and also put in here your full name as well. So I'll just put that, click on agree and register right here. And then once I have clicked on this agree and register, it will take me to another page wherein I can see the homepage of Alibaba. So as you can see, it will load in here. So let's just wait for this to finish the loading process. So in here, we can now do dropshipping on Alibaba. To do this, we need to head over to this right here. We can search for products that we can actually add. So for example, we want to add this hot selling iPhone 14. So we can click on this one. And then this will open this product. And in here, you can click on this add to import list. So let me just click on that. And then once I have clicked on it, I should be able to click on this go to import list right here if I want. Or I can also add another product that I want to add in my import list. Like for example, I want to add this S-Ron 3 Ultra as well. So it will open another tab, and in here I can actually head over and then click and add this specific thing on my actual list. So in here, let me just refresh that for a bit in order to add this imported. So once you have add this imported on you can head over again to your dropshipping on Alibaba, and in here you can see the import list. And on this import list right here, you can see all the things that you have imported. So I have here this right here. So let me just click on this right here and click on this push to store. So click on push to store right here. And once you have clicked on that, it will be pushed to your Shopify store, and you can just wait for a few seconds in order to publish this specific product to your store. So you can add many products if you want, but I already added one because it's just a tutorial. But if you want to try dropshipping business, then add as many products as you want. So let's head back in here on our Shopify, and let's just refresh this product page. Now, once this product page has been refreshed, we should be able to see the newly added product that we have. So let's scroll down, and as you can see, the iPhone 14 that we have has been added right here. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.